Find success in gold with one of these gems of tips. A bit of good investor knows to put a bit of their investments to the commodity market. The very best commodity to possess is gold. The following article will assist you to, whether you would like to use gold for retirement savings or perhaps want some extra money. Always use a respected company when selling gold. There are various ways to discover more on their reputation, such as online reviews or Better Business Bureau filings. Reputable buyers offer great customer service in addition to fair prices. Protect your gold investment as a result. Think of selling your gold online. You no longer should go to the physical store to buy and then sell on gold. There are plenty of websites out there you can use to sell all of your gold. The web business gives you a unique kit that you can use to deliver your gold pieces. If everything works according to plan, you will definitely get paid at market prices. Consider delivery time when choosing gold. If you don't have it delivered immediately, learn once you will receive your gold. This would or the date the gold will arrive to you by. Don't order anything without it document. If you have a desire for engaging in the gold markets, but don't have a great deal of investment capital, consider buying scrap. This can accumulate as time passes, and you may observe how this can make a valuable investment. Store it inside a safe hiding spot till you have accumulated enough to money in. When buying gold jewelry like a gift, ensure that the refund policy is sound. You will need a guarantee on any gold you buy. By making sure the dealer offers a return guarantee, you may help protect yourself. How does the seller really know what the carat rating is? Often, the products are stamped. Sometimes, however, you won't be capable of seeing any sort of a stamp, and so the people must have an alternate way to figure these matters out. A way to determine if a gold representative is completely new and inexperienced is when they normally use an acid test. This really is a simple test used by newer gold dealers. Always do your own personal research into the gold market before you make any investments. Some individuals pretend to advertise experts but who are in fact just attempting to dupe you into investing through them. However, you have to be leery of anybody who promises you wealth. Don't imagine buying gold as a technique to overnight riches, and you will definitely never end up being disappointed. There are other ways to purchase gold besides physically owning it. Stocks in gold mining or gold-based mutual funds are two such alternatives. Buying gold bars or coins involves considerable storage. Remember, you must keep these items inside a safe place. One choice for selling gold is sending it through the mail. Plenty of sellers prefer this method as a result of simplicity. You ship your jewelry within a prepaid envelope, and you then be given a check. The purchase price they pay can be really low, though. Understand that you can be considering a return of 30% less than other available choices. It's better to acquaint yourself with any would-be dealer before you conduct business together. Talk with a more effective business bureau to verify the trustworthiness of a dealer. You may use the Greater Business Bureau to find out if complaints or adverse claims are already made regarding the dealer. If you discover filed complaints, you might like to consider going with a different dealer altogether. Be sure to be aware of the buyback policy of your own seller. Certain buyers assess premiums for reselling your gold, whereas others will not likely. Consider whether the need to ship bulky gold items to a given destination makes it worthwhile or otherwise. It will always be best to hold onto the gold you acquire yourself to ensure its safety. When your curiosity about gold is purely aesthetic, why not buy solid gold jewelry? This jewelry is both a likely investment and fashion piece. Particularly fine craftsmanship adds financial value for the physical and actual precious metal content. Similar to the majority of investments, gold investments would be best entered by using a long-term expectation. It shouldn't mean that you simply buy gold at one specific price. Actually, you happen to be more satisfied investing once the pricing is lower. You need to have your timing down pat. Cheap deals could be had when selecting gold publicly. Make sure you have got a clear comprehension of the health risks involved in this sort of purchase. So, get the coin appraised. Bear in mind that you take an important risk if you buy with no appraisal. In case a deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. Keep your gold trading simple, especially at first. Avoid gold futures, though it may be a common investment. Futures make time to understand, and are generally susceptible to volatility. If you are not well educated about the subject, you might suffer a big monetary loss. Professional investors are better for working with complicated investments. When you're selling jewelry for your raw bullion price of the gold inside your pieces, ensure that you inquire about getting back any small gems included in your jewelry. If they're tiny, they could be hard to remove. Because it doesn't have value when gold is melted, many dealers do not have desire for tiny gems. You must understand fully what you are actually purchasing. Many coins are merely plated with gold and therefore are not created from gold. One of the ways to actually are receiving an actual gold coin is actually by asking that this coin be appraised by a certified appraiser before purchasing it. Consider how gold is created prior to buying any. Machine-made gold will be less valuable when compared to a handcrafted piece. That isn't likely to have much related to melt value, but will impact the price when sold as jewelry pieces. Since checking out the piece above, you already know more details on the gold market. Utilize these ideas to improve your investment portfolio, or just to create some money on its own. In order to find success, use this article for your springboard. GVMG, Global Viral Marketing Group. Thank you for watching to the end. One-time secret offer. Free web marketing tools giveaway and more. For more details, please click the URL below.